2002, I decided to build a system from scratch. Oriental rug cleaning from dog and cat's urine odor. A system that cleans the Oriental rug, protect the Oriental rug from all the carpet cleaner equipment such as scrubber, dust buster, and the chemicals that all the other carpet cleaner uses, such as enzyme, deodorize, a very concentrate soap. I decided to build a machine that's using the odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea and the XpetPee machine that cleans the Oriental rug and protect the color, the fiber, protect the Oriental rug, the piece of art. This is the machine that changed the way how the carpet cleaning industry should clean your Oriental rug in a 21st century. PetPeePee. My name is Meir Martin. I am the owner and the inventor of the XpetPee machine, and I clean your Oriental rug with a lot of fun. I enjoy cleaning your Oriental rug to prove to myself that my cleaning machine and product working. This is my goal. How does this work? Allow me to explain. The vacuum located under the Oriental rug extract all the cleaner through the fiber. Take with them all the urine crystal, the soap, the enzyme, the deodorize, the dirt, the saliva, the pee-pee. Everything's flush through the fiber, fall down to the pan, and go to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I can look at the tube and see how clear is the cleaning product. In the beginning, it was like yellow mustard. And then when the cleaning process progresses, it becomes lighter and lighter and lighter. And when I finish the cleaning process, almost done, and the tube is clear, then I add a special cleaning process. This cleaning process comes with the reaction with any left of the urine crystal, the alkaline, the enzyme. Enzyme, it's basically soap. It's a high pH balance. So the acidic Dead Sea cleaner, it's acid. And two of them together cause a reaction in the bottom of the rug, and the smoke that's coming tell me that my cleaning product, the Dead Sea, kill the high pH balance. And I know for sure this rug that it was saturated with the urine odor will be completely odor-free without masking the rug with a deodorize or enzyme to fool you around till I receive the money. No, I remove it chemically, naturally, like the Dead Sea. When I complete the cleaning process, the rug will dry on the floor, flat, so the color will never run. Look how shiny and beautiful the rug looks. That's it. PetPeePee. A cleaning process that makes sense.